This is the Q-Flame, an award-winning wood pellet heater that's reinventing how we stay warm. Its gravity-fed, eco-friendly design is powered by wood pellets, a low-emitting biomass fuel that's recyclable, unlike traditional propane and electric heaters. How it works: simply fill the hopper with wood pellets. Add 1 squirt of lighter fluid and a barbecue lighter, and you're done. With fuel costs as low as 50 cents an hour, it's less than 1/10 of the price of a propane heater. The Q-Flame is a great addition to any outdoor space. Unlike traditional standing heaters that only heat from the top, the Q-Flame heats from the top to the bottom. It has a 10-foot heating radius and provides 72,000 BTUs an hour. The Q-Flame is designed with all lifestyles in mind. It easily breaks down to go wherever you're going. In addition to heating, with a quick switch, the Q-Flame can transform into a barbecue. Add the water canteen to the back of the heater to provide boiling water whenever you need it. It's the safe alternative to any campfire. The Q-Flame is the ultimate eco-friendly tool that will help keep you outdoors all year long. It's the perfect addition to your campsite, tailgate, or restaurant patio. It's smoke-free, ember-free, and when you're done, it leaves no trace.